Good morning, you guys. Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Today for breakfast, I'm going to make me a BLT, you guys. Yes, indeed. So what I'm going to do, since I had some hamburger buns that's almost expiring, I'm going to use them for my bread, okay? And over here, I already had cut up a few tomatoes. And somebody gave me this big-ass bag of lettuce. You know, when you send people to the store, give me a small bag of lettuce. This sucker is huge. 32 ounces. So I'm going to be a lettuce eating ass for a while. Okay, back on track. Okay, you guys, so I have my Kerrygold butter here. I'm just going to go through my pan like this. Yes, indeed. And just lightly butter it. So how are you today? I hope all is well. Once again, you guys, we finally got sunshine. Yes, we do. But it was really foggy this morning. You couldn't even see your hand. I'm glad that done cleared up. The sun done come out. So I'm just going to place a bun down in the butter so I can get lightly golden brown. And once I finish these buns, guys, I will be right back. Okay, you guys, my bacon is all done. So I'm ready to plate up my food. Here is my buns here. Let me put it over here for you to see. Right here. So now I'm about to plate this all up with my bacon and tomatoes, my buttered buns. Okay, you guys. My Duke's mayonnaise. I love this mayo, you guys. It tastes so good. Smooth and creamy. Yes, indeed. Okay. So I'm going to add one tomato here. Another tomato here. I'm going to add some bacon. Okay, I got my bacon plated. Excuse me, guys. Some lettuce. I don't like them big pieces like that. That's a no-no for me. Straight trash. That's one thing about buying already bagged lettuce. Here's another big chunk. Garbage. Okay. So, this is my classic. That's another big piece of lettuce. My classic BLT. I didn't add cheese because I didn't want no extra layer of salt. So, yes. So this is going to be my breakfast for this morning, you guys. Okay? So, I thank you for watching. And I will be back later with another video. I sure would. And I probably only want to eat one of these sandwiches. And I probably wrap the other one up for breakfast in the morning. So I'm going to wrap this one up for breakfast. Because this one seems like it's a little bigger. And I'll be hungry. I'm not that hungry now. But I wanted me a sandwich. A bacon sandwich. With tomatoes. So I'm going to wrap this one up for breakfast in the morning. And I'm going to eat this one here. So now I'm just ready for my coffee. And I'm going to sit down and catch up on my news, guys. So I thank you for watching, and this is a simple recipe, and I hope you all enjoy. And bye-bye for now. Bye-bye, guys.